Good morning guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm in Amsterdam at the moment and you're probably not used to this makeup look on me. I am leaving to Paris tomorrow with a bunch of girls, Dutch girls, which I'm super excited about because it's gonna be so much fun. And this morning I was just trying out a little Parisian look with like these cat eyes. I don't know, what do you guys think? Shall I wear this makeup look in Paris or not? I kind of like it. It just took me 1 hour though, because I'm not really good in like eyeliner and like cat eyes, so I was like, oh, I should maybe practice before I'm actually going to do it there. And then I was like, maybe one time practice is not really enough. Anyway, so today, what do I do before I'm going to Paris Fashion Week? I'm only gonna go for a couple of days, and I used to do a lot of like shows during Paris Fashion Week. Now I'm gonna go more for like events. I have like a lot of meetings because everyone is there. I'm just gonna have fun with girls. I'm gonna take pictures. That sounds just like so much fun. So it's time to make some coffee first. I'm gonna meet my friend Michelle, and she's actually gonna help me with my Weibo account because I don't know if I have any Chinese subscribers, but I use Weibo when I went to Shanghai for VS, and then I had some problems with my login code and I can't fix it because I can't read or speak Chinese, so I need some help. So I will be back on Weibo very soon, because I'm going to make a trip to China in probably November, so super excited about. Look who joined me here.
Good morning.
Oh, his neck hurts, he can't turn around. Then I come to you.
Yeah, my neck is stiff.
Oh.
All this travel.
Let me give him a little massage.
I'm 29 now.
Oh yeah, he turned 29.
Yeah.
Not 129. You guys understood that wrong.
I skipped the...
He skipped the part a little bit. Too bad. So delicious. Got some ginger tea.
It's hard.
What do you have?
It's hard. I've got a acai bowl with berries.
And this is the veggie bowl. It looks the same, but yummy.
Same, but different.
Can't figure it out. Okay, I organized a bit. I don't know if this looks organized, but for me it does. So what I always do, I got my basics, and then I got like a couple of statement pieces. This is just like a crop, super cute one. Then I got like a golden like jumpsuit. This is from House of Harlow from Revolve. No idea if I'm going to wear this or when. And I have this beautiful red silk dress, and there's going to be a Saint Laurent beauty event, so I think this will be really fun to wear. Then this is just like a basic dress. Oh yeah, this coat I'm kind of like obsessed with. It is like red latex, and it's from the brand TB, and it's like really big. And then I have this coat, which is like a snake print. It's really nice. And this is from Blank NYC, and I got this on Shopbop. And I got this one on Shopbop as well. So it's so great how they have like all these different kind of pieces. One more. This I got at a Balenciaga sample sale, and it's like yellow pants, but it's so long. This looks really, really cool. So now I'm just gonna make little sets, take pictures of it. So I have it in my phone, and then when I wake up in Paris, I just check my phone and I have an outfit. These are the last packages. While I was doing fitting, I was like, wait, I ordered some more shoes. I actually ordered some high boots from Zara, but I thought I ordered 2, so I don't know why I have 3 now. Don't you ever have that when you're like packing, and then, oh no, when the packages come, you're like, oh, my order, and then it's way more, and you're like, did I order that? Shopaholic. Steak. So it is lunchtime, and because I'm like packing and I don't want to do, I'm out of groceries and I don't want to do more groceries. Because I'm leaving, so I ordered some food. I got this from Back, and I ordered it there last week, and it was actually really, really good. Sweet potato, carrots, halloumi cheese, hummus, pepper, feta. I'm gonna make this. Lunch is served. I feel there are always like 2 people. People who like mix everything together, and then there are people who just eat the salad like bite by bite. Today I did a little mixture. So cover I'm talking Dutch right now. My suitcase packed right now. I'm gonna do a quick change, and then I am going for a little workout for Pilates at Body Fita, which is like absolutely my favorite, just to stretch it out before my travel. So guys, it is 9:30 I guess. So it's afternoon. I did like a workout, and after my private session I decided to do a group class, because I don't know, I was just in such like a flow. I felt really, really good. And then I came home, and then I went for dinner with Max to like a local terrace. And I didn't actually bring my camera, so here are just a couple of clips I took on my phone. So I forgot my camera, so I'm using my new iPhone. I have to test it out. So while everyone is having like beer and wine on the terrace, having some fresh coconuts. And we got some tofu. And we're waiting for green curry. It's actually quite cold, but they have all these like heaters on the terrace, so I'm like cozy. And when we're back, shall we do like a face mask and stuff?
Paris Fashion Week prep?
Paris Fashion Week prep. I'm going to use this Hair Before Blue Tansy. It's a clarity mask. So this, like, it's kind of like, I don't know, it's really weird. But this is really looks a little like slimy. This is gonna like detox and clarify all your pores a little bit. And it's not like a clay mask. It feels a little bit more like hydrating. Because the problem is with clay mask, or that's what I feel. I have a very dry skin, so very often when I put a clay mask on, it really dries out my skin. So that's why I am gonna use this one tonight. Oh yeah, and sorry guys about the noise here. This is just like my bathroom. Whenever the light is on, the ventilation is on. So very sorry. Ta-da! And in the meantime, we're going to use this sugar lip polish to scrub my lips for my French kiss. And now it is a 10-minute wait. So normally I packed all my clothes and accessories and stuff. Normally my skincare products and my makeup I do the next morning because I need them tomorrow morning anyway. I should not forget my contacts because I did that last time. And now it is a 10-minute wait. So I'm going to use a little bit of eye cream. This Orveda one. And I'm gonna try to go to bed early tonight. Then I'm going to use this balancing moisturizer from Omorobica to moisturize my skin. Make this little one. Yeah, honestly at the end, like water and sleep for me is like the best skincare in the world. So yeah, I'm gonna try to go to bed early. I'm going to drink a cup of tea, have some chocolate, and then go sleep. So, and last but not least, so I have a tiny bit of breakout, something here is coming. So my magical trick for this, which I feel everyone should have, is tea tree oil. You can buy this at like every drugstore or pharmacy, and this is just really good if you have a little wound or if you have like a little pimple or a little infection or something. Make sure I'm using a different hand and I'm putting it here. And I always try to make sure every evening I put this on like a little pimple, and then the next day often, and it is much better. So get this. Okay. Well, I am all prepped. I think I'm just gonna like nail polish my nails right before I'm going to sleep. I don't know if anyone else does that, but I'm just gonna like sit on the couch, do my nails, and then we're gonna go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this 24-hour before Paris Fashion Week. Kind of like showed a little bit like what I do in preparation, so for my skincare, what I eat, my workouts, and just like how I prep with like outfits and everything. And I have to say, today was not that stressful. Normally it's always like so much going on. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, love you guys. Good night. See you in my next video.